All right, guys. So we're in the house right now because it's hot and freaking humid outside here in Southern Illinois. We got the new windshield in. We'll open it up, take a look at it, and later on this evening, I will take it out to the garage and put it on and go for a ride. So let's get started. All right, so we're out here in the garage and we are going to get the new Freedom Shields windshield on the Road Glide. So it's a pretty simple operation. Stock on the 15 plus Road Glide is 4 Phillips head screws. As you can see, I have a camera mount, and it's going to be a 3/16. No, smaller than 3/16. It's going to be an Allen, but we'll pull the 4 screws all the way out because the new Freedom Shields has holes and not slots to make it more secure. So let's get on it. All right, so this stock is kind of flimsy. New Freedom, it's thick and pretty rigid. Then you want to come back to the center, give it a push in, because if not, you could have a vibration. Could have a vibration in the rubber, which we might still, but this isn't final fit because if you notice, it still has the plastic on it. They tell you to leave the plastic on it, and as long as you leave it on there, you can test ride it. And if you don't like it, you can return it minus shipping. I think it's minus shipping. And you'll get your refund. Now we can tighten up the 2 outsides. Now you don't want these extremely tight, they just get snugged up. Now the next step is to take it for a ride. All right, guys, so we made it back to the house dry, but I like it. I'm gonna leave the film on it and hopefully go for a ride Thursday and really put it to the test, take my tools with me, and then if I'm 30 miles down the road and I decide I want that film off there, I'll just pull over and take it off. this Freedom Shield windshield. I like it. I'm not getting hit with any wind here. They are, technical size of it. But the wind coming up off the tank, from down under the tank on both sides, that shit's pretty well brutal. But the shield is great. The only reason that wind is really bothering me is that, as you can see, it's pushing up my beard. But that's really my only complaint. It ain't even about the shield. What's going on, guys? So I've had a chance to ride with the windshield, the Freedom Shields, which I know I've said that in the rest of this video, but I love that. That windshield is great. My only problem, and it's not the windshield's fault, but whenever I'm riding down the road, I don't have any wind coming up and hitting me right square in the face. So I feel all the wind that comes through here, which I want the bigger engine guard, crash bar, the bigger crash bar. That's what the hell it is. The full size one, so I can put the little deflectors that go on it into the tank. I want to do that, but it's not going to happen for a while unless somebody out there wants to trade me engine guards. But all in all, I like it. Feels great. I did not get hit with a big bug. There are a few big bug splatters on it. I rode it about 60-ish miles today. Actually, it was over that, because I rode about 90 miles today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I upload, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.